hold me down. Sneaking out the back door, make no sounds. Knock me out. Saying that I want more, this is what I live for. Hold me.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm eating my hair right now. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, welcome to the Divine family. Today's look is a summer date night makeup look. It's bright, it's fresh. Your eyes are gonna be popping, you're gonna be super cute. For those of you who have a hot date to go on but don't know what to do with your makeup. Or if you don't have a date to go on, oh well, if you're single and just having fun, you can wear this look wherever you want. To work, to bed, to the grocery store, wherever. So if y'all want to see how I got this summer date night makeup look, then please keep watching. Hi friends! So first up, I'm putting on the Lancome LA Based Pro Hydra Glow Primer, and I'm pressing this into my skin. I feel like things stick so much better when you press it in versus just smear it all on. Next up, favorite concealer, Tarte Concealer Shape Tape. My color is Light Sand. I'm just blending out or covering up my little zitties there. And then, forgive me, I can't remember the colors, but these are the MAC Liquid Foundations and Studio Effects Foundations. Popping that, smearing that first all over my face, and then, yeah, I really don't care. And then we're going in with my beauty blender and patting that all down. And then I'm going back in with my Shape Tape concealer and popping that under my eyes and under my chin, nose, forehead, where I want light to come to my face. And again, I am patting that down and not smearing that. The upper hand, but I like the way you use it. Loving the band Revolution lately. Next up, I am taking the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Lace. Oh, and we are going all over the face with that, honey, because I am oily. Next up, favorite eye primer of all time, Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer. Just sponging that onto my eyelids. Next up, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I think that's what it's called, in medium brown. And can you see the difference that a filled brow makes? Oh my gosh. Next up, I'm taking MAC Texture. And oh my gosh, it is way too dark. Darker than a first crease color, at least. So it's just makeup, so you just gotta slowly work it out. Make sure you're careful with it. Then I'm taking MAC Vanilla, which is a beautiful matte shade, and I'm kind of giving myself an eyeshadow cut crease, and I wanted to a little bit more shine. So I'm taking MAC Fix Plus and a Maybelline eyeshadow, and just giving it a little bit more pop, as you can see the difference right there. Next up, I'm taking a MAC shadow in Embark and putting that in the outer corner of my eye. This is really the star of the show. And then I'm taking any black eyeshadow and just putting that in the outer third of my eye just to make it pop a little bit more. Just make sure you blend everything out. That's the key. And I'm taking those same crease colors, like Texture, and putting that underneath my eye along with Embark, and then just like blending it all out. The brushes that you use are going to make the difference with this. And then I'm popping a white Clinique eyeshadow just on the underneath my brows and in the inner corner of my eye. This is just a classic makeup look if you're going on a date, along with white eyeliner. That's gonna help make your eyes pop and look so much bigger. I have a tutorial on how to highlight and contour your face. If you want me, I can link that down below. But basically, you want to highlight all of your all of your features, good qualities, and fake eyelashes, bigger eyes are going to help draw their attention to you. Oh my gosh, I got mascara in my eye. It was so frightening. It was awful. So yeah, and also I do not like it when my you can see the lashes versus the fake lashes versus my real lashes. So I always like to make sure I put some eyeliner on it, and I put a little wing because I feel like that's a little bit more flirty than just like a regular eyeliner. Does that make sense? This is the Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink Blush, and if you put it more in the center of your cheeks, then that's going to make you look more youthful. Then this is the ColourPop, I'm so behind, sorry. This is the ColourPop highlighter in Wisp. Just putting that on my cheekbones and then blending it out with a beauty blender because it's more of a creamy color. This is the Sephora lip liner in Fresh Melon, and then I'm just lining my lips with that just to give it a little bit more of a pop. Just want to draw attention to the face, to the areas that I want to highlight, making my eyes bigger, making my lips look plump and beautiful. And then this is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in San Juan. It's so bright. I'm not used to that. Just be careful with it and just blend it out a little bit. Sorry, I'm flicking you off, but that's it. Alright y'all, so that concludes the summer date night makeup look. If you enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Tag me in any of your recreations and any of my social media listed at the end of this video and in the description box below. Thank y'all so much for watching, and until next time, honey, peace. Today is going to be a little makeup look, obviously. Hi friends, hi guys. Well, cutie to go see on a hot date. So many things we have to tell you guys. It's just like so much.